Okay, so final answer for our table. This is the size and scale, what we're going for. So we've got a little bit of a space in between there, but our base table, 42 by 24, 3/4 thick material or half inch. I don't remember if we were talking half inch or 3/4. And then our bases where they come together, let's say 4 inches apart. The square tubing is 4 inch by 4 inch. From the floor to the top of the plate, you'll put a horizontal plate here, which I don't have shown, will be at, let's say 27.5. Because by the time I whittle this material down, it'll be about 2.5, making the top of the table at 30. And on the inside, if math is correct, here we just double check. Yep, about 4 inches there. You can see the number up here. And for the top, and this stuff doesn't have to be exact, but just a general, we're looking at about 65 3/4. I can send you this rendering, but if you have any questions, give me a call. But again, the base, 42 by 24, and there would be a horizontal piece with a couple holes in it for us to put lag bolts. Pretty straightforward, but those are some measurements, and I think that'll be sufficient enough for a solid base. With the weight you stated, that'll be a lot just to push it over. All right, thank you.